What is up, guys? So, Bo's about to get home, and you remember the TV stand that we said we were going to try to put up? Well, I got bored and tried to, but I got to the point where this thing is supposed to go on here, but I don't know if you can see it, but that hole really doesn't match up. And so after messing with it for an hour, I got really mad and decided to say screw it. So looks like that's what we're going to be doing tonight. So we're pretty sure this is not at all how it's supposed to be going, but we decided instead of mounting the TV, we're just going to set it on the thing. But, I mean, overall progress looks pretty nifty. Wouldn't you say? Hey! You alright?
Nope.
Bo's old, if you haven't guessed it. That face.
Oh, okay.
So we just gotta get some glass on this thing, and then take care of that area. And then by the day's end, that will be over there, that will be over there.
And all that crap will be somewhere.
Probably still over there. But we'll have an office. There it is. So
Fantastic.
Bo threw this at me because it was left over. Here you go. Oh. I can't do this.
Our tortilla's busted. We busted our tortilla.
Oh god. That's how you get ants.
That's great.
This spot. Do I want to what?
Half a burrito that I just kind of threw together.
Sure. Unless you want all of it. Well, it's looking like our progress with the stand is going to have to come to a halt because I'm not going to do it on my own, all the taking wires apart and rewiring, because I don't really know. Yeah. I don't know how all that goes. Bo's got to get some sleep. It's literally... You guys are wondering why we haven't been herping this up. It's just been doing nothing but raining. For how long?
2 weeks? 3 weeks?
2 weeks? Almost 3 weeks? Yeah. And
It's so cold.
I mean, it's not as cold today.
No.
Today's the nicest it's felt. But still.
But I would imagine all the herps are cuddled up somewhere trying to get warm.
Unless they're like salamanders and stuff. They're out and about.
Salamanders?
Yeah, whenever I go to that shell, I hear those frogs chirping like crazy.
Really?
Yeah, they're out. This is perfect habitat for them. Perfect weather. Bear with us. Trying to get in as much entertaining stuff as we can in the little time that we do have. But it is what it is.
We have literally like maybe 2 or 3 hours a day, like together, like while we're both awake and not like having to rush to go to work or go to sleep.
Yeah. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Randy, don't forget to subscribe and any last words.
Nope.
All right. Good talk.